This is Mac's single stud tie-down ring, good for working loads of 1,000 pounds. It works in any of our four profiles of track. Here's how we're going to do it. We're going to press this keeper up, both fingers, thumb through the ring, drop it into a hole, move it a ½ inch, click it in. Now tilt and swivel and hold more than your truck will. This is Mac's double stud tie-down ring, good for 5,000 pound braking strength, just like your standard flip-up D-rings. What we're going to do to put this in is click it in, move it a ½ inch to the side, and you're in. It will not come out. To remove it, we're going to lift up this spring-loaded plunger. Again, move it a ½ inch, it comes right out.